Handsome. So today we're doing another party food. These are the salt and pepper chicken popsters from Iceland. Again, this goes with our party food range at the moment because it's that time of year and we're still looking within that boneless section because we're struggling to find any chicken wings that are in the party selections, but we will keep looking. So overall, I thought these were pretty rubbish, to be fair. You got quite a lot of them. There were salt and pepper chicken popsters, incredibly peppery, which is not bad, I quite like that. But inside it was just so mushy tasting. Couldn't really say there was much salt to it. Overall, bit bland other than the pepper. Really disappointed with this one, but hey ho, give it a go yourself. Ta for watching. Yeah.